competition has forced the 911 GT3 RS to prioritize lap times over driving enjoyment. The 911 Carrera line has softened, now full of GT cars rather than the wild children of yore. Turbocharging is hitting the rear-engine Porsche en masse. All of this gave Porsche Motorsport a vacuum of emotion and purity to fill with just 991 examples of its glorious 911R, a machine focused on putting unadulterated feel and enjoyment back into driving. Eschewing turbocharging in the interest of car lover must-haves like induction noise, butterfly chirps, intuitive throttle response, and purity of sound. The 911R simply borrowed the GT3 RS's 4.0-liter flat 6. So there's 500 horsepower of engine playing for keeps, the car ripping to 60 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds from a standing start, hitting 124 miles per hour in 11.6 seconds, and continuing on to 201 miles per hour thanks to the lack of a monster, drag-inducing rear wing.